Okay, so this is also one of the exam questions. So in this one, the given flowchart model is generation of some numbers in certain range. Write the first three and the last three numbers that it generates. So I hope you remember normally what we do. We can tabulate this, the values in the flow chart. So let me put the number of times the loop works as well as the variables x and t. So initially before the loop, when you say before the loop, that this is the loop, and before the loop, when you start, we start with the value. So that means we have x, so that is 1. Then we have 1 again, right? Next one, from here you are going to enter the loop. Remember, the condition is at the end of the loop. So first of all, you need to display y. So let me output the display. So display t means that is 1. Let me put output here. Yes, okay. So there's no output in this one. Beginning we have t. The output is, so output is t, that is 1. Yes. And then you are going to start the first time. That is a start, because then you display t, that means 1. Then you increase x by 1, so that means this becomes 2. Then you add x and t together. Remember, you are going to add x and t together. So what is x here? Yes, x and t. So we have x is 2, t is 1, so x and t means that is 3. Now we check whether t is greater than 50. We are checking whether it's greater than 50. Yes, no, right? So that means the loop repeats. So what will happen? You go for the second time. Again, you are going to display t. Now this time t is 3. X is 3. And then we have x plus t, that means 6. Okay. So now it will output 1 and 3 so far. So let's see how the next number. So the second time you go there, you display this, that means 3, and then you increase this by 1, so that means this is 3, and t is 3 plus 3 is 6. Third time, yes, the output is 6. We need to increase x by 1, 4. Then t is, yes, t is 4 by 6, 10. Yes. Then fourth one, the output is 10. This is 5. This is 15. Then fifth one, the output is 15. Output is 15. X is 6. Yes, 6 plus 15 is 21. Yes. Then sixth one, the output is, Yes, 21. This becomes 7. 21 plus 7 is 28. Still t is not greater than 50. So seventh one. So this becomes 28. This is 8. And then this becomes 36. Got it? Right. If you continue this, that is 8 times, then this becomes 36. X is 9. 36, 9. So this becomes 45. Still t is not greater than 50. So 9 times. So this will be 45. This becomes 10. Yes, this becomes 10. Yes, now the t becomes 55. Now t is 55. Next time when you go up, right, it's 55. And you check at the end whether 55 is greater than 50 years, that will be the end. So the answer for the first one is first three numbers. So that means we have to put, yes, we have to put first three numbers, 1, 3, and then 6. Last three numbers, yes, we have 28, 36, and 45. So the first three numbers we have, yeah. So this should be the answer. Okay. Next one, it's the pseudocode. Can you quickly write down the pseudocode? If anybody asks how many times the loop runs, yes, it 9 times. 9 times, isn't it? There's a question from Taraka, how many times will the loop runs? So in this particular case, it will be 9 times. Okay, shall we discuss the second one, pseudocode? So if you remember, so this is equal to repeat until the loop, which means repeat and until, which means in the beginning there's no condition, at the end there'll be a condition, but if the condition false only, you are going to repeat, right? When you say no, then you are going to repeat. So that's the difference between what we have learned in while loop. So while loop, we know that when condition becomes true, it will repeat. Here condition becomes false, it will repeat. That's what you need to remember. Okay, so let's move to the next one. We have few minutes left, so write a pseudocode that corresponds to the logic indicated by the flowchart. So we can say, right, begin. We know x equals 1, t equals 1, then we have display t. Okay, this is the loop. So as I told you, if you remember, it should be repeat until. You say repeat if it is false. Then we have display t, and then we have x equals x plus 1, t equals t plus x, and then until t greater than 50. So this is how it should be, and then finally it's end. That's all. First of all, yes, and you can, if you want, you have to type calculate as well. There's no inputs here, isn't it? There's no inputs. So one thing is I forgot, you have to say calculate. So we will say, yes, so these are the two. So I will use this to teach you few more things. I can use this to teach you what do you call teach you I can use this to teach you do while as well, but like while actually at the end, right? Now for example, the same thing I can write using do while. It should be begin. Just check, since we don't have time. X equals 1, t equals 1. I can say do display t. We can say calculate x equals x plus 1. X plus 1. Same way we can say calculate t equals t plus x. Now this is a while loop. Now if it is a while loop, you can't use the same. The condition should be opposite. Now when you say t is not greater than 50, that means t is less than or equal to 50. So this is the end. Now since we know the while loop, you can change the position as well without harming the output. So if I type everything, I can write in another way if you want. Here we can put y. Just check, right? Write the table and see. We can check whether t is less than or equal to 50. So all the three, and then at the end we will say end while. So while t less than 0. Just check all the three codes. You are getting the same answer. We are getting the same answer. Yes, make a note of the three pseudocodes, and then maybe the